This is your BMW serpentine belt tensioner, and today we want to highlight a critical mistake many BMW owners make that can lead to serious engine damage. At first glance, it may seem like a small detail, but overlooking it can turn a simple maintenance job into a repair that costs thousands of dollars. The serpentine belt tensioner has an important job. It keeps the correct amount of tension on the serpentine belt, which helps drive several front-end engine accessories, including the alternator, power steering pump, and other supporting components. Servicing the tensioner itself is usually very straightforward. In most cases, a Torx socket is used to release tension from the belt, making removal and replacement a normal part of long-term BMW ownership. But here is the part many owners overlook. When replacing or removing the tensioner, many people reuse the original aluminium mounting bolt. That is a major mistake. On many BMW engines, this bolt is a one-time use aluminium bolt. Once it has been torqued down and exposed to repeated heat cycles, it is no longer meant to be reused. Over time, that reused bolt can weaken, and one day, while driving, the head of the bolt can suddenly shear off, leaving the rest of the bolt stuck flush inside the engine block. Now, what should have been a simple repair becomes a much bigger problem. Not only can the tensioner loosen or come off and damage nearby components, but the broken section of the bolt is now trapped inside the block. At that point, it usually cannot be removed with basic hand tools. Instead, it often has to be drilled out using a screw extractor or similar method. And this is where things can get even worse. One small mistake while drilling can damage the factory threads inside the engine block. That means a quick and inexpensive repair can suddenly turn into a serious job that leaves your BMW out of service for far longer than expected. The good news is that this is completely preventable. Replacing the serpentine belt tensioner bolt is inexpensive, but it can save you from a major headache later on. So, anytime the serpentine belt tensioner is removed, the mounting bolt should be replaced as well. This is not an optional shortcut. It is the correct way to service the component. Once that aluminium bolt has been torqued down, it should not be reused. Reinstalling the old bolt might seem harmless in the moment, but it can lead to broken hardware, difficult extraction, damaged threads, and in worst-case situations, major engine repair. If you want to avoid drilling into your engine block and risking permanent damage, always replace the tensioner and the bolt together. It is a small step, but it makes a big difference in protecting your BMW and doing the job the right way the first time. We hope this video helps save you time, money, and frustration on your next repair. If you need the replacement tensioner or the correct one-time use mounting bolt, check the links below so you can service your BMW the right way.